Hey guys. The fuck was that? Hey guys. Sorry if my voice cracked. Sounded like I was going through puberty or something. But I'm not. I'm going to do BTOB's Beep Beep. I'm a bit disappointed because Park Ji-yoon's Beep Beep was also, Park Ji-yoon's Beep was also supposed to be released, but Mystic89 tweeted that they were only going to release the official audio and the MV for her song will be released 2 days later. But BTOB's Beep Beep is here, and I know, like, this comeback has been anticipated. Like, Cube has been promoting like crazy, as well as the fans. I know I've seen a lot of photos in Korea where, like, their comeback was posted on buses, so, you know, that's a big deal. And without further ado, BTOB's Beep Beep. I love BTOB, and I hope this song is amazing. I'm pretty sure it'll be, from what people are saying. Okay, we're in a car. Are these Seongjae? I don't know all the members that well, but I'll try. Yohoon. Is that Seongjae? Seongjae. Ah! He's my bias. Oh my god! Oh! Where are they? Are they in like a car shop? Well, obviously, there's some rooms. Can't forget his name. But I know he has nice arms. He has nice eyes too. Over it. There's Minhyuk, Seongjae. Oh my god. Are these Pinion? Oh my god, Minhyuk. Oh my god. Seongjae. Seongjae. Do not stare at me like that right now. Oh my god. This is a video. This looks like a video tutorial on how to have road rage in Korea. I think that was Peniel. It feels weird to say his name because I'm like, oh, Seongjae. Seongjae. Oh god. I can't speak right now. Seongjae. Oh. I know that was the 19 plus portion. It would have been 19 plus if they were like honking their butts at each other, like honk, honk. Oh, a nice little change up of stuff. Oh. Okay, Ilhoon. Ilhoon is doing it right. I really hate when Seongjae. He's really not gonna let me speak. Seongjae, stop. No. Seongjae, stop. Was that Hino? Was that 4 minutes? Yes, it was. I think I saw Beast. Slow down. I wanna look. I think I did see Beast. Okay, never mind. The choreography's good too. Show me more choreography. Ooh, shit, that was nice. Ooh, ripples. That's so cute. I really think that's cute. Oh, there's the bubble pop shirt. Okay. Okay, I love that. That was too cute. Okay, so BTOB's Beep Beep. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy and proud of all the melodies, you know. First off, you know, we're kind of we're already at 300,000 and this video has been released for 2 days. I mean, that's pretty good, you know, because BTOB is not really well known. So hopefully we can get to 1 million. I believe it is 1 million in 3 days. Was it 3 days? I forgot what they tweeted. What was it? What was it? Ah, 2 million before a week. I think it's possible. So, y'all get out there and support them because this song is going to be the shit. I've been, like I say before, like I say in mainly all my videos this year, if you follow me on Twitter, you can do so down below in the description box. 2014 is going to be the year of the underrated groups and the K-pop rookies in K-pop. You know, even if they don't win, you know, I do hope they win, especially the underrated groups, like BTOB. But also there have been a lot of rookie group acts coming out that are really good, they're really improving. You know, you have Top Dog, there's Lip Service, Kiss and Cry, you know, all those guys are coming out and amazing. Pure Kim, Two Song Place, all those guys, you know. And I really like this MV a lot. It was fun, it was funky, it was cute, and it was handsome yet masculine at the same time. I think the masculinity comes from the cars. Otherwise, if there were no cars there, like, I think it would have looked way less masculine, especially with those really cute small cars that they were driving in. I'm pretty sure you guys noticed, but Seongjae would not let me talk. Seongjae would not let me talk. Every time I was about to say something, he just like pops up on the screen and like I go speechless. But what I was trying to say before I was interrupted by Seongjae was that Il-hoon is doing it right with his hair. Because, you know, I really hate in K-pop, or just in general basically, when people bleach their hair, especially if it's such a light color as that. Like a really, really platinum blonde, almost virgin white, and they forget to bleach their eyebrows. So like basically their hair is such a bright ass color and their eyebrows are like permanent marker black. I mean, you know, you can trim your eyebrows like really short, you know, the hairs, so it looks a bit lighter. It has this grayish tone, that's fine, but you know, bleach your eyebrows as well. If you don't want to use actual bleach, you can use hydrogen peroxide, and over a few weeks it should lighten it. Enough about the hair shit. This was amazing. I'm happy because it's such a good song, good rapping. Seongjae looked amazing, and so did everyone else. There really isn't much else I can say. I just saw Sunday, and Sundays was perfection. This is perfection, I would say. I mean, coming from BTOB, you know, considering their other videos were a bit distant, and I did like the little mix between the choreography, and you know, they didn't really show much of the choreography in this one, which I did kind of like, you know, because in their previous videos it was mainly, you know, choreography most of the time. And I think if I had to compare a video to this one, this would kind of be like the male version of Is It Poppin' by 4 Minute. Somewhat, you know, it's fairly similar. It's fun, it's cute, you know, like theirs is more feminine, this is more masculine, all that stuff. And it's just the fact that it shows that they're having fun most of the time. And there's that transition, you know, how they're in Is It Poppin', they're on stage, blah blah blah, performing, and then that's when they're in, you know, the rim area, whatever, and then they transition to the party, which 4 Minute does as well, and then they're all soaking wet, and then they're in suits, and then party ticket. That's another thing I thought was really funny. the parking notice was, you know, it was basically on the car. Like, the car didn't get towed or anything. I mean, it is a video, but you know, if you think realistically, it was just paper, so they literally could have just like took the paper off and like drove away. Like, they were just getting mad over that, but it was funny, it was comedic, and I liked it. There really isn't much else for me to say, because if I do, I'm probably just going to keep rambling, and then I'm not going to end up making any sense, and then I'm probably going to offend someone. So, before I keep rambling, I'm just going to stop anyways. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, please. And you can follow me on my SNS accounts down below on Twitter, first and foremost, and my Facebook as well, my Facebook fan page. You can follow me on my real Facebook too. It's the same as my YouTube username, and my Instagram as well. You don't really have to follow me on Instagram. You can if you want to see me like post selfies and videos of foods that I make. But thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.